Hi, I'm Michael DaCosta, the Country Manager for Janitza Australia. I'd like to introduce the latest technology for Janitza metering. It's the 96 PQL LP. It's designed to take low-power CT inputs. Previously, we had to wire CTs to shorting links to the meter. Alternatively, Rogowski coils or other low-power inputs to transducers, power supplies, and then to the meter. We can now reduce all of this additional equipment by simply using the low-power CT input. In turn, massive cost savings. We reduce the size of the installation, reduce our risk by removing all that additional equipment, and finally, we reduce our environmental impact.